Hello everybody. In this video, we build a new enemy that can also shoot. Like this. We will also take a closer look at the audio stream player. Notice how the enemy sound gets louder when we approach the enemy and gets lower when we move away. So we will use the sound distance and the attenuation function of the audio stream player. Let's start. For the enemy, I use only a sprite node. Click on level 1. Then right-click and click Add Child Node. Search for sprite. And double-click on sprite. At File System, click on your image and move it with drag and drop into the texture field at Inspector, here. Your image is now at the coordinates x0 and y0. Here. Grab the sprite with the left mouse button and position it wherever you want. You can change the size of the sprite by clicking on one of these dots. If you want to change the color, go to Inspector. Click on Visibility. At Modulate, select your color. Start the program. Okay, the enemy is there. Now, let's make the enemy rotate. Double-click on sprite and rename it to shooting_enemy. Then, click on this symbol to add a script to the enemy. At Template, select Empty and click Create. Now, enter this text. Start the program. Okay, the enemy is rotating. Now, let's add the enemy sound. Click on Shooting Enemy. Then right-click and click again on Add Child Node. Now, search for Audio Stream Player 2D. As you can see, we have 3 audio players. Make sure you click on Audio Stream Player 2D. And then click Create. Go to File System. Click on your Assets folder. Now add your enemy sound with drag and drop into your Assets folder. Open your Assets folder. Click on your sound. Then click on Import, here. If the loop function is activated, uncheck it. And click on Re-import. Go back to Scene, here. Now go back to Assets. And bring your enemy sound with drag and drop into the Stream field at Inspector, here. Double-click on Audio Stream Player 2D and rename it to enemy_sound. Now go to your shooting enemy script and add these 2 lines in the physics process function. Make sure that the name of your sound file is written exactly the same as here. Start the program. that works. Now let's change the distance of the sound and optimize the attenuation. Click on Enemy Sound. Go to Inspector. Here, at max distance, we specify the size of the sound zone. I decrease it to 500. And the attenuation I change to 3. Start the program. As you can hear, the sound does not start. But, when we get closer to the enemy we can hear the sound. And the closer we get to the enemy, the louder the sound gets. This is the attenuation. The higher you set the value for the attenuation, the more gradually the volume increases. Here's an example. I choose a very low value, let's say 0.1. Start the program. As soon as we have entered the distance range, the sound will increase to maximum volume. Experiment with the values distance and attenuation until you find the best values for you. In the second part of this video, we will build the bullet. See you soon. Bye.